Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we are diving into the newly released Vivo Y67 2025 edition. This smartphone has created a buzz in the budget-friendly segment with its upgraded features, sleek design, and reliable performance. Let us take a closer look at what this device has to offer. Starting with the display, the Vivo Y67 comes with a bright and vibrant screen that offers a smooth viewing experience. The colors are sharp, the contrast is well balanced, and the refresh rate has been improved for better scrolling and gaming. The screen size is perfect for both media consumption and everyday use without feeling too bulky. Moving to the performance, this smartphone is powered by a capable processor that handles multitasking efficiently. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or playing games, the device runs smoothly without noticeable lag. The latest software optimizations also contribute to a seamless user experience. Paired with sufficient RAM and internal storage, users can store apps, photos, and videos without worrying about running out of space too soon. There is also the option to expand storage if needed. The camera setup on the Vivo Y67 is designed to capture high-quality images in different lighting conditions. The main camera produces detailed shots with good color accuracy, while the additional lenses enhance portrait mode, low-light performance, and ultra-wide photography. The front camera delivers clear and sharp selfies, making it a great option for social media enthusiasts. Video recording is also smooth, with built-in stabilization ensuring that shaky footage is minimized. Battery life is another strong point of the Vivo Y67. The device is equipped with a long-lasting battery that easily supports a full day of usage on a single charge. Whether you're using it for calls, gaming, or video streaming, you won't have to worry about running out of power quickly. The fast charging feature ensures that you can get back to using your phone without long waiting times. Now let us talk about the design. The Vivo Y67 maintains a sleek and modern appearance with a lightweight build that feels comfortable to hold. The back panel has a stylish finish that gives it a premium look, while the placement of buttons and ports is convenient for easy access. The fingerprint sensor and face unlock provide quick and secure access to the device. In terms of software, Vivo has included a clean and user-friendly interface with useful features that enhance the overall experience. Customization options allow users to personalize their device, while system updates ensure that performance remains smooth over time. Overall, the Vivo Y67 2025 edition offers an impressive combination of features at an affordable price. It is a well-rounded smartphone that delivers solid performance, good cameras, and long battery life in an attractive design. For those looking for a reliable budget phone, this could be a great option. That wraps up our review of the Vivo Y67. Let us know what you think about this device in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smartphone content. See you in the next video on FK iPhone.